Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to save a GIF in Photoshop. As you can see here, I created a simple and basic GIF in my Photoshop version CSS6. Now I'm going to save it. First of all, go to File, Save for Web. In this format option, select here GIF and select GIF from here. Leave all the settings here. Click on Save and you can rename it here. Now click on Save and my GIF has been saved here. Here's the GIF I just saved. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.